you saying, guys? Thought I'd do a quick video explaining my strategy to scalp the daily open. So let's dive on in. The first thing you want to do is add every single Binance Futures coins to your TradingView watch list, which is over 100 coins. Next, you'll need pivot points and Traders Reality for indicators. Pivot points will help you identify key levels, and Traders Reality will help you spot stopping volume candles and give you the 5, 13, 50, 200 and 800 EMAs. You'll use these to know where to leave stop losses and take profits just in case. On average, I find the best stop losses is usually around 3% and best take profit is 4%, but this depends on the coin you'll be trading and what the previous price action is. Now for the strategy, at 1 AM when daily open occurs, you'll want to sort by the highest percentage change, and if you see the majority of the market is bullish, you'll want to long the most bullish coin at 104 and 50 seconds in. This is because you will usually see a big pump followed by a minor retracement before the 5-minute candle close, and then a pump of around 2 to 4% of the next candle. You can also short the most bearish coin if the majority of the market is bearish. However, in the crypto bull market, shorts rarely have higher percentage returns than a long would. If the majority of the market is bearish and there is a coin that's still pumping, then this means a coin could be decoupled from BTC and the strategy can still work, however does come at a greater risk. Here's an example of the strategy in place. After 5 minutes, MTL was up the most, and if you had taken the position at the time of 104, you would have caught a 4% move as it busts straight through the pivot point and hits the midpoint afterwards. So yeah, easy money to make, and that's your take profit hit within 5 minutes. You'll want to be out of the trade within 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes maximum, because usually this move is just a fake out to get retail traders to start panicking, like when Batman punches Bane's mask and he just loses all his strategy and composure, so they either FOMO in or panic sell, and you want to just quickly hop in, collect your profits and hop out. Very rarely does the most bullish coin on daily open stay the most bullish coin throughout the day. If you see another coin overtake this as the most bullish coin on a 5-minute candle close, it is definitely time to either take profits or cut losses. I've been testing this strategy for 2 months now, and it's given me around an 85% success rate, and if I have lost losses, my losses are very minimal at around less than 1%. You just need to control the two main emotions, fear and greed. Be prepared for minor retracements. This is why I'll usually wait for candle close before I close a position and have a high stop loss at 3%. Control your greed. Don't worry too much about closing early. If you are in profits, you can take your profits and go sleep. Like it's 1 AM, just go sleep. Don't worry if it keeps pumping, you've secured your bag. I wouldn't recommend anything more than ×5 leverage on this strategy, as I have seen -2 retracements turn into 4% profits in the space of 3 minutes, which is a lot of emotions to go through if you're using more than a ×5. Make sure to refresh the sort by percentage all the time and do it before you place the trade, as it has to be the number one most bullish coin on the 5-minute candle close. This won't work on the 4th or 5th most bullish. If you want to know when to close the trade manually to avoid being caught in the fake out reversal, the best thing to do is after the 5-minute close, look at the 1-minute cluster algorithm. If it has switched to red or below EMAs, then it is time to take profits. This method works pretty much every day of the week, even the weekend when there's low volume, and that's pretty much it. Pretty basic method with a high success rate, as long as you have the speed to be in and out of the trade, because you have to be quick. It is better to have 2 monitors, as it'd be easier to have TradingView and Binance on the other. And yeah. Next, I'm working on strategies to scalp the London and New York Opens, which are at 9 AM and 2 PM, because they'll either follow what the Tokyo session just did or reverse it, which New York is famous for. So let me know if you guys want to see what I'm doing, and I'll catch you in a bit.